Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are making a classic appetizer, potato skins, but we're giving it a Basant twist. We're making them Philly cheesesteak style. It is a simple and awesome recipe, and I can tell you it's 100% crowd. Just gonna go over the basic ingredients. Don't worry, I'm gonna have everything posted in the description box. We're using coarse black pepper, sea salt, parsley, granulated garlic, white onions, red peppers, scallions, 2 pounds of Romanian or skirt steak. I absolutely love this. We're using 8 russet potatoes. For cheese, I'm gonna use sharp cheddar and pepper jack. I love this combo. Oil and sour cream. We have all ingredients in. With this appetizer, you can go so many ways. You make the potatoes or you bake potatoes, you have leftovers the next day, you can make a snack for kids. You guys are watching a game, you want something quick and something hearty and fun to eat. This is the recipe. This is what you guys make. So now, let's get this awesome recipe started. So we're gonna start off with the potatoes first because they take the longest. They're gonna go in about 450-degree oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour. I'm gonna show you how to season them. I'm using regular olive oil, just a little bit, drizzle. And I'm gonna show you how to season them. Makes such a difference. Gonna massage it in. So this way, the outside of the potato is seasoned too. So I'm just gonna put sea salt. A little black pepper. I'm gonna show you a trick to get it on all sides. And a little granulated garlic. I love sea salt and coarse black pepper and a little garlic together. Roll in all the extra. We'll coat the bottom. Now I'm just gonna pack them in foil from side to side. Just like that. We have the potatoes seasoned and wrapped. Now they're gonna go in 450-degree oven for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. I'm gonna show you how to check it. Then we're gonna let them cool off. We're gonna core them and deep fry them. My favorite part. While the potatoes are baking, we're gonna start prepping on the onions. And we're gonna make the steak. So we can cook it all simultaneously. So onions you cut not too thin and not too thick. Just to give it a quick saute. I'm gonna do the same with the peppers too. So I'm just gonna cut them in thin strips. This is exactly how you want. Nice and clean cuts. And we'll just put them on the side because we're gonna give it a quick saute. Prep peppers and onions. Now we're gonna work on steak. About 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna very simply season it. Salt, about teaspoon and a half. And same with pepper. But if you like a little bit more, you can always adjust. And a pinch of garlic powder. We're just gonna mix it. So just make sure it's mixed really well. Now I'm gonna let it sit for about 20-25 minutes before I pan sear it. Those are ready. Ouch. Open them up. Let them cool off a little bit. Still nice and hot. So potatoes are done. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go split them from the sides. Nice. I like to core them when they're still hot so that it comes out easily. I just go side to side with my spoon very gently. Just make a little cavity. That's just like this. This is exactly what you want. So you can stuff it really good. The potatoes, this is exactly what you want. You want to have a little cavity so you can stuff it with steak and onions. Now we're gonna go to my favorite part. We're gonna start frying. That part is over, guys. Now we're gonna do the coolest thing in the world. We're gonna deep fry them and they're gonna be nice and crunchy. I'm gonna show you. My fryer is on at 375. I'm gonna drop the basket first and we'll just, wow. You know what? I love grilling and I love frying just as much too. Cause, ready? And check this out. Super crunchy. Oh yeah, they're ready. So I'm gonna let them rest on the wax paper. Get all the extra oil out and we're gonna finish frying the rest. This is my favorite thing to make. We finish the shells or the skins, like you say, and we're gonna just put cheese on them. I like to overlap them, so when they melt, they just go downwards. It looks really hot, but you know what? If you like it some other way, go for it, because now it's all up to you how you want to present it. I think this looks hot like this. Now these are gonna go back in the oven so we can melt the cheese. Then we're gonna make the steak, stuff them, and my favorite part, we're gonna serve them. So look at this. How hot does that look? So it's gonna get stuffed with sauteed peppers, onions, and sliced Romanian steak. And we're gonna top it with scallions. We're gonna eat it with sour cream and hot sauce. Put down about 2 tablespoons of oil. And we're gonna let it get super hot, because you want the steak to sear as soon as it hits. I'm gonna pan sear it. That's exactly what you wanna hear. Nice and hot. So as soon as the steak hits the pan, it starts to sear. Steak sears really fast. Look, this is exactly what you want. 3 minutes on each side. Gonna slice it. Take it again, I'll run. I'm gonna go against the grain and I'm gonna just slice it. Got the steak done. I sliced it. Now we're gonna work on the veggies. Again, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it get nice and hot. I'm gonna start off with the onions. I'm gonna add peppers. Give it a quick saute. Season it with a pinch of salt, black pepper, and granulated garlic. You can use fresh garlic, but I like granulated garlic. I'm gonna add the steak back in it, and we're just gonna give it a quick saute, and we're good to go. Steak and peppers and onions are done. I'm gonna transfer them in a bowl. Guys, tough part is done. Potato skins are ready, and the steak is ready. Now we're gonna start building our appetizer. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete and I wish you guys could just smell and taste it. What we did over here was we baked the potatoes, we cored them, melted the cheese, we grilled the steak, we sauteed peppers and onions, and we garnished it with scallions, and we are serving it with sour cream. Guys, it is the simplest recipe in the world. This is for the days when you don't want to eat the same old boring stuff and you want to zip it up, and this is it. I love making this. I make it for my clients, I make it for my kids, I make it any chance I get. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. Time for my favorite thing. I'm gonna give it a try. I like a lot of sour cream. There goes nothing. Wow. This, it's like eating steak and french fries at the same time. Wow, wow, wow. Basant style.